Need to move files from one Google Drive account to another. Whether you're switching accounts, organizing personal and work files, or creating a backup, there are a few easy ways to transfer your data. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer files from one Google Drive account to another in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign in to the Google Drive account that currently contains the files you want to transfer. Locate the files or folders you plan to move. If you're transferring several items, it may help to place them into a single folder first. Next, select the files or folder, click Share, and enter the email address of your second Google account. For the smoothest transfer, give your second account editor permission before sending the invitation. Now sign in to your second Google Drive account and accept the shared files if necessary. The shared items will appear in your Shared with Me section. If you don't see them right away, refresh Google Drive or wait a few moments for everything to sync. If you want your second account to have its own independent version of the files, create a copy where that option is available or move supported content into your own drive. This prevents your access from depending entirely on the original account. Once the files are available in your second account, move them into the folders you want to use. A little organization now makes everything easier to manage later. Yeah, it's also a good opportunity to remove files you no longer need. After confirming that your files are safely available in the second account, you can review the sharing settings. If you no longer need both accounts to access the files, adjust or remove sharing permissions as appropriate. So always double-check that your files are available before removing access from the original account. And that's how to transfer files from one Google Drive account to another. Using sharing permissions is one of the easiest ways to move your files while keeping everything organized. I mean, once you know the process, it only takes a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.